Okay, so here I'm going to show you question number 4 from the exam. So they're asking us to find f of g of x. So what you need to know about functions is when there's that little circle thing in the middle, that means one function is inside of the other. That was in the homework, that was in the practice exam. So you do need to know that. So that means one function's inside of the other. So that means g is inside f. So I've got to take all of g and plug it right in the x slot of f. So it goes right there, x squared plus 2, and then it's squared plus 6. That makes sense. I just put all of g into the x slot of f. That's what this is saying. G goes into f. G is inside of f. Okay, then what? Well, then you work that out. X squared plus 2, x squared plus 2. You see, because it's 2 of them. That's what that 2 power means, 2 of them. Okay, so how do we simplify that now? Now I'm going to go first to both. So x squared is x to the 4th. Remember, when you're multiplying, that's when power's at. And then x squared went x squared. Now x squared times 2 is 2x squared. He's done. Now this 2 will go to both. 2x squared plus 4. And then that 6 is still back there. Okay. Now x to the 4th is in a class by himself. 2x squared and 2x squared. That's 4x to the 4th. No, careful. X squared. You aware of that? And then 4 and 6 makes 10. Everybody good with that? Remember, when you're adding x terms, you just add the numbers in the front. You don't mess with the powers. You only mess with powers when you multiply. So there's our answer to that question. Now watch out. On other versions of the exam, the retake, the final, things like that, remember from the homework, we did it both ways. So it'll be fair game. You might see on the retake exam like this. You got to watch. They might switch the order on you, or the final, or some other exam, right? I don't know. I don't remember exactly. I have several versions. You've got to know which way they're saying. So if they put the f inside like that, right? Or let me go slower. They would write it like this first off, maybe. See how the G's coming first? That means it's like this, and the f is inside. So what do you do with that? Well, you go the other way. You take all of f and you plug that in right there to G, because f is inside of G. The one they gave us, the G came after, so the G was inside of the f, so I put all the G in the f. So watch out for that. It can go either way. We've had both questions in homework and practice exams. It'll be either way on the various exams and retake exams and final exam. When we have all this stuff again, it could be either way. So make sure you're watching for that. So there we go.